I'm Melissa Bloom. I'm a licensed field underwriter and real estate expert for the last 19 years. And today I'm going to walk you through advanced strategies to help you build tax-free, worry-free retirement wealth, even if you're a high-income earner who's outgrown traditional financial tools. Here's what we're going to cover today. Why most high earners, including many business owners, are stuck with inefficient retirement plans. How wealthy families and 85% of Fortune 500 companies are using tools like IULs, whole life, and annuities. The three biggest myths keeping people from maximizing their money. How you can create a tax-free retirement playbook that builds security, income, and legacy without any of the guesswork. So let's talk about the high income trap. You're earning 160, 250, maybe even 500,000 or more. You've worked hard, but you've also outgrown traditional retirement tools, right? You make too much to contribute to a Roth IRA. You've maxed out your 401k, but it's not keeping up with inflation or taxes. Traditional plans weren't designed for people like you. They were built for employees with pensions, not entrepreneurs, or even high earners. So we look at the Wealth Shield framework. There's three powerful tools. IULs offer tax-free growth, living benefits, flexible access. Whole life, guaranteed growth, potential dividends, and legacy protection. And annuities, lifetime income, and downside protection. Now, each has their pros and cons, and the key is to knowing which one fits your situation the best. So we look at insider strategy, and I want to talk about why most IULs underperform. Here's what most agents won't tell you. Insurance companies earn 4% on their general fund. They use that money to buy options, but the higher the market volatility, the higher the cost of those options. To keep profits, insurers reduce cap rates. They may also cut participation rates, and sometimes they do that in half. Old IULs had high fees, long surrender periods, and underperformed. But the new generation is smarter, higher floors, better caps, better structure. IULs, the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? They can sound appealing. They offer flexible premiums, but here's the catch. They do often lack transparency. They can include high internal costs. Performance is heavily dependent on the insurer's option budget. Long surrender charges limit liquidity. And for most clients focused on tax-free growth, these aren't the best fit. So let's look at whole life strengths. Whole life is old school, but in a good way. Guaranteed interest plus potential dividends. Ideal for legacy and estate planning. And performs well in volatile markets. Less resilience on option trading, no cap or participation rate volatility. Fixed market equals fixed results equals peace of mind. And because fees are built in, they don't have to reduce your caps or notify you of any changes. Now, you might be asking about what value would I receive? Okay, let's talk about that. Money. You want it to be tax efficient, compounding growth, and beat inflation. Information. You'll know the strategies Fortune 500 companies use daily. Time. Save years of research. This is a shortcut to clarity, period. Reoccurring growth, designed for compound interest, safety, and flexibility. Asset maximization. Multiply your money's uses, income, legacy, protection. I want to give you real case studies of my clients. I have a high-income W-2 professional, earns $200,000 a year. We redirected his savings into an IUL and is on track for $1.5 million in tax-free retirement income by the age of 65. I also have a business owner, wanted both liquidity and legacy. We use an overfunded whole life policy to build succession and a family trust plan. And third, I have a retiree. We converted an old 401k into a fixed index annuity and is now receiving $6,000 a month guaranteed income for the rest of their life, regardless of the market performance. Now your custom plan awaits too. You've seen how the wealth create peace of mind and protection, and this is about building yours. It's a custom plan, not cookie cutter, specific to you and your business needs. Choosing the right structure, whether it be one or all three, So here's your call to action. Click the link or scan the QR code to schedule your free strategy call. No pressure, just clarity and custom guidance. Let's build your tax-free retirement playbook and give your future the attention that it deserves. Thank you, I appreciate you, and have a fabulous day. I look forward to connecting with you on the strategy call and reviewing what you currently have and creating something new and amazing for your future and your legacy.